All right, welcome to the video. This is going to be a review of 1-3 homework. So you were learning about metric conversions, and as you can see, this is the metric conversion chart. We're going to sing our funny little song. So King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. So kilo, hecto, deca, basic unit, deci, centi, and milli. All right, so distance. The basic unit of length in the metric system is meter. Okay, so as you know, the basic units that we have are meters, liters, and grams. Okay, so what unit of measurement would be used to measure, let's say, a candy bar? I put centimeters. You could probably put decimeters if it's a huge candy bar, but I put centimeters there. Thickness of hair, millimeters. Distance from Stockbridge to Boston, that would be kilometers. A football field, a meter. Well, using the meters. Length of a pencil, I said centimeters. All right, so we are going to convert the following. So 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. B, 435 millimeters is equal to 0.000435 kilometers. 45 kilometers is equal to 4,500,000 centimeters. 9873289 millimeters is equal to 98732.8 centimeters. E, 765 kilometers is equal to 76,500,000 centimeters. Okay, moving on to mass. The mass is the basic unit of mass in the metric system is grams. Awesome. What unit of measurement would be used to measure mass? Okay, so we are trying to measure a pill. I said milligrams. Person, kilograms. Pebble, grams. Book, I said decagrams. You could probably also use I don't know, it kind of depends on the book that we're talking about, but all right, so elephant, kilograms. All right, moving on to page 2. So convert the following. So 254 kilograms is 254,000 grams. 432 grams is 0.432 kilograms. 453286 milligrams is 453.286 grams. 987,653 grams is 987,653,000 milligrams. 4,567 kilograms is equal to 4,567,000,000 milligrams. Okay, so the basic unit of volume in the metric system is liter, or if we're measuring a liquid. If we're measuring a solid, it would be centimeters cubed. What unit of measurement would be used to measure the volume of a soda can? Milliliters, pond, kiloliters, eyedropper, milliliters, syringe, milliliters, milk jug, liters. Convert the following. So 78,965 liters is 78.965 kiloliters. 78,789 milliliters is equal to 78.789 liters. 45 kiloliters is equal to 45,000 liters. 4,234 kiloliters is equal to 4,234,000,000 milliliters. Okay? And so now for these conversion questions, I am going to read them and then pull up the whiteboard so that we can kind of work them out together. Okay, so the crew of the Apollo 9 collected moon rocks to bring back to Earth. 3 of the rocks were massed to be 9.6 grams, 0.00345 kilograms, and 195 milligrams. What was the total mass of these rocks reported in grams? So we're going to do that out. So I'm going to get out the whiteboard. And I'm going to get my pen. All right, so we are trying to find the mass of these 3 rocks. So to find the total mass, we're going to have to add the mass of rock 1 plus rock 2 plus rock 3. So we'll call rock 1 equal to 9.60 grams. Rock 2 equal to 0.00345 kilograms, which converted equals 3.45 grams. And rock 3 equal to 195 milligrams, which converted equals 0.195 grams. So the total mass in grams equals 13.245 grams. All right, well, let's go back to our homework. All right, so number 11. The length of a warehouse is measured to be 95 meters. The height of the roof is measured to be 1,350 centimeters. The width is measured to be 0.0015 kilometers. Calculate the volume of the warehouse in cubic meters or meters cubed. Remember, volume is equal to length times height times width. So going back to the whiteboard, clicking on the pen, I am just going to go ahead and create. Can I create a new page? Yes, okay. Sorry about that. So we know that volume is equal to length times height times width. So we will call the length 95 meters, the height 1,350 centimeters, which converted equals 13.50 meters, and the width is equal to 0.0015 kilometers, which converted equals 1.5 meters. So the volume of this entire warehouse equals 95 meters times 13.50 meters times 1.5 meters. So you do all that math out and you get 1,923.75 meters cubed. All right, let's go back to the worksheet page. And last question is dealing with time. A triathlete completed the swim portion of the triathlon in 3.5 times 10 to the third seconds. The bike portion was completed in 2.6 kiloseconds, and the marathon was completed in 3,600,000 milliseconds. Calculate the total time to complete the marathon and in seconds. All right, so I'm going to break this out in runs. So let's get a new page going. Awesome. All right, so we'll call run 1 the first run that they did. So the first portion, so 3.5 times 10 to the third, or 3.5 times 10 times 10 times 10, which equals 3,500 seconds. All right, so round 2. That was 2.6 kiloseconds, and we need to convert that to seconds. And doing so, we get 2,600 seconds. Run 3 was 3,600,000 milliseconds, and we need to convert that to seconds, and we get 3,600 seconds. So the total runtime would be run 1 plus run 2 plus run 3. So doing that, we have 3,500 seconds plus 2,600 seconds plus 3,600 seconds, and that will give us a total runtime of 9,700 seconds. Sorry, that 9 is terrible. Let me just fix that. Cool. All right, let me know if you have any questions on any of this stuff, and I'll see you guys again soon.